Hello and welcome again to another video basic fishing. I am out on the wharf again with Lee, and once again I am going to be doing some basic forms of fishing known as straylining, where it is nothing more but your Black Magic 12-pound fluorocarbon leader or ball sinker. This is a 1/4 ounce, and a size 2 hook, sea point hook from Black Magic tackles, and bait I've got here is a bullet tuna. And yeah, we're just gonna see what luck holds for us today. And yeah, I hope you all enjoy today's action, and yeah, stay tuned for some fishy action.
Oh, you fell hooked it.
Is it press the record button?
Yeah, it's fine.
Oh, yeah, great, thank you. Yeah, hooked into a big fish. Oh.
It's a snapper you've got.
Fighting extra harder.
You fell hooked it. Oh bugger, I'm on the reef. He's a good fish though.
Yeah.
Go on the top of the pylons.
Yep. Actually, he could be a legal fish. Lee, I think he's legal.
Oh, hold on, I'm going to need to let this go.
Yeah, here. Thank you. Oh, no way. You're still on. Wow. Well, let's see my catch. That looks legal. That looks like a legal fish.
I got him out.
Nice, nice. Man, this fight on this one was really epic, but that's because he was hooked at the tail by accident.
I was not even that big, he just got in the current.
Yeah. Oh. Damn. Oh, he's not even that big.
No, he's tiny.
Yep, mine's out. Let's see how big he is, this fella. There it is. Yeah, look at that, he's barely legal. Alright, time for him to go. Again. And as soon as Lee brought a snapper, there was this massive, oh, not as massive, a red king. He just went after the bait, which is, oh, it would have been a good opportunity to film, but as usual, I decided to save my battery and just watch the king chase after the, chase after the snapper. And then after it saw us, it buggered off. Typical, eh? It was good, but it's so dried up. Jeez. Anyway, let's see. Chicken pellet with some other crap I don't remember. Oh, I think, yeah. Hard to tell because this current is ripping. Nah. But boy, did they pack a punch. Whoa. Whoa. Could be another, look at that. Looks very close, this guy, once again. There we go. Let's see how big he is, I'm curious. Oh, he's just under. So we'll let him go. Smallie. This one just took the bait without nibbling at it. Obviously this burley here is doing something, right? But I'm saying that this fish is not particularly massive. But even so, it's always good fun, especially oh, what was that? That looked like a sweep.
Yeah, it was.
Oh yeah, I see it, I see it. There's a small eagle right there. I have never seen a sweep in a while, so that's a good sign. Anyway, this bait's good to go again. So yeah, let's see if we can hook into another fish. Oh yeah, wow, I see it. Damn. I can see something's behind it. Your bait. Oh, damn.
Look at that, he's just chilling under the water.
Wow, I can see him chasing it. Ah! I took your bait. Whoa, there it is. There it is again. Sure. Oh, good hook up right there. What is the wood he snapped anyway? Oh, I think it's a current. But I think that burley's doing something right, because it's not a bad sized fish again. Right at the top of the lip. Check that eagle ray out. That's always so cool to watch. Look at this female. Good to see one now today. I didn't see one at all for a while, so... Well, but then again, I haven't been in this wharf for a while, so... Oh yeah. I don't want mine in, just so that clear grief.
I'll be surprised if it's legal to tell you the truth. It's actually got a lot of weight to it.
Yeah, I think.
When I say big, I mean maybe 30 centimeters. Maybe. Super like, yeah, to have for fun.
You were feeding them power, right?
Yeah, man.
I'm surprised we haven't caught anything else yet. Oh yeah, that's a good size.
I'm surprised if it's legal.
That's the current.
Oh, it's big. It might be over 30 centimeters.
Probably not.
Not?
Nah.
It's over 30.
Doubt it. We can measure him, see where he's at. But
Yeah, let's have a look. Let's have a measure. He he gripped that bait really pretty good.
Just 30? Oh, just 30.
Just 30.
Oh yeah, just 30.
Yeah, you can bring it. Nah, he gets to live. We want them at 31 just in case. You are gentle. Have to be, otherwise they don't survive.
Gummy lips, eh? Yep. I got a trev finally. How cool is that? I can't believe I did not get that on camera, but I finally caught my first trip of the Wharf here. Oh wow, that's... Look at that, caught on the size 2 hook.
Good.
Ah.
It's just a matter of time before one turns up.
I wasn't recording, so pissed. So I didn't film me landing this trip, but that's all good. I'm glad I was able to get it. That's gonna make good sashimi. He was caught on the 2 baro. No, he's probably about 27. Yeah. We'll give this guy a measure. He is just 25. Ah.
Oh, he's gone.
Oh, it was just 25 anyway. I did that deliberately. So that was cool. My first trip on a stray line here. Finally got a good fish. Looks like a trev.
Oh, big one. Small snaps.
Ah. Yeah, it looks like
see the line spinning around.
Yeah, yeah. You know a snapper.
Fuck, it's tiny too. Snapper. What's that?
Oh, it's hooked on the side, that's why.
Ah.
Oh. Man, look at this guy. Finally. But it's not that big. Oh, no. Oh.
Was that a gurnard?
Yeah, it was a gurnard. Oh, no. Oh.
Was that a gurnard?
Yeah, it was a gurnard. Oh. No. Oh.
Was that a gurnard?
Yeah, it was a gurnard.
That was only a little one.
Oh. Well, at least I got that on take.
I get multi-species.
Yeah, I know.
Trevally.
Oh. Yeah, well, one problem with gurnard is that the J-style hook is not good against them. Let's try this organ meat again. It's been a while since I've got into some proper action. due to the fact that the fishing has been a little bit tough. But I'm hoping that this organ will hook me into some good fish. Wow, this thing is so soft. It's gonna fly off, that's for sure. Let's see how bad this flies. Here we go. Gentle lob. Wow, the whole thing stayed intact. Let's see how fast it takes for the fish to bite this. Get it. Ah, he took the bait. Oh! Nah, it's probably the same. Even so, it's a good feeling when they take the gut.
Oh, that's what you're doing.
Yeah. Holy cow. Look at this guy.
Walk up here, boss. Walk up here.
Ah, please, no. Come on, not again. It's just there too. Yeah. Nah, I don't see it. This is not my biggest snap on the RG, but still. Always good fun when they turn up.
Saw the bell ends up.
Yeah, I did. Yeah, I mean, if it weren't for the RG, the thought of using soft plastics on land base would have been a fantasy even now. But with advanced technology, that fantasy is now but a reality. Using a 2-inch with a 1.8 gram jig head, size 6 hook, and simply what I do is I point my rod down and I just twitch it continuously. So twitching it like that and slowly winding it up. I'm not got my polys. What a beautiful evening. Good swarms of fish around here, that's for sure. Damn. Oh, oh my god, look. Ah, that was a small. Can you see the fish behind it?
That's Aji.
No way. Look at that, my first RG fish caught on camera. That's pretty cool if you see that. I mean, look at that. He's not an enormous fish, but it brings me joy to see a fish being caught on a lure. We tried persevering over the last couple of hours, and unfortunately barely anything's been happening, so we're gonna call it quits now. You don't want this, right? You don't want this? Alright, let's throw this out. Free food for the fish. We caught a good range of fish today, both quantity and range of species, so that wasn't a complete loss. Plus I found this cool jig I can take with me as a souvenir. And I gotta say, straylining, I'm still new to it, but I'm having a lot of fun. Hope next time I come here I'll have better luck on the fish size. Anyway, I hope everyone have enjoyed watching this video, and if you have, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe for more fishing videos. Again, thank you for watching and see you all next time.